Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Gather the Rpwfe replacement cartridge, a towel, bucket, and wrench so you won't interrupt the flow. Shut off the cold water supply and power to the dispenser to prevent spraying, and press the dispenser lever to relieve pressure. Once done, position the towel and bucket under the filter housing to catch drips, and make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace so you can see the O-ring and filter orientation clearly before you open the housing. You now remove the housing by turning it counterclockwise. If it's tight, use the wrench but avoid excessive force that could crack plastic. Once the housing is off, pull the old Rpwfe cartridge straight down and inspect the interior for sediment. Wipe it clean with a towel. Then examine the O-ring. If it's nicked or cracked, replace it. Otherwise, clean its groove and apply a thin film of silicone lubricant. This ensures a proper seal and prevents leaks when you install the new cartridge. You install the new Rpwfe by aligning the cartridge per the arrow and pressing it firmly into the housing until it seats. Then screw the housing back on hand tight to avoid over-torquing. Once secured, restore the cold water supply and power and immediately check for leaks around the housing. Make sure to flush the filter for 2 to 3 minutes as recommended so trapped air and manufacturing carbon dust clear. Troubleshooting tip. If you see persistent leaking,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.